And I'm going to go straight to, let's go to our channel. And as you can see here, it's just a simple layout and some colorful thumbnails and videos, satires, information, different stuff. And we have a community page after getting 1,000 subscribers. And I just talk about my cat on this channel, you know, and give some motivation, things like that. Now we're going to go to the YouTube studio. We can see the analytics. If we come out and go into the larger channels that I started up, then you'll see the watch time. So they're going to show you how many views you got. There's going to be some duration time, but it's not going to be a lot of watch hours. Let's see if we can view more. So in the last 4 days, and the watch time is only 0.1. You're going to get this from time to time. And it varies because the type of content, maybe you switch the content, maybe you wanted to go in a new direction, maybe you haven't been making videos and just stuck to making community page post. And that's just as good because it still connects you with your audience. Connect with them to run polls. You can run for YouTube president if you wanted to. You can have giveaways and all type of goodies, such as digital downloads and memberships, secret memberships, where you can talk about things that you don't normally talk about in the YouTube setting. And you could go to those sites, such as Patreon, Twitch, and all those, and connect with your fans. When we first start the video, we get at least 112. From the community page alone, we get lots of comments. It says view more. And we still have people, you know, commenting on our stuff. And so that's a good thing, you know. Keep it going. There's some interesting thumbnails. The titles will take you in. And plus, some of these that talk about celebrities, you know, celebrity gossips and new announcements like Harry Tubman on the $20 bill, the guy that got her eye bit out when she walked through the store. I mean, these are some interesting titles. Then I could go here and I change the visibility of my lives and my channels. And it's easy to get verified on the phone, but it takes a while because of the internet. So you could go to comments, playlists, analysis, top viewed. So I could take this here, and that was like a roasting section. And I don't know why, but people are entertained by that. And it reached a lot of people. And on the overview, it says how many views just in the last few hours. This is just a little social proof to show you that I get views on my channels. It's really working for me. You can see I got a little amount of subscribers it takes to do lives, pick the comment section, pin it, and have the community section and the stories page and the shorts draw. And the post gets liked. I use it like my Facebook page. Please you rate, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that you may get all the videos coming your way by the Star Angelique channel. We teach people how to YouTube, to create videos and market videos and promote them. And we have some new and exciting videos on deck. Thank you.